Hello guys, buen día. Pues como ven por acá le vamos a celebrar el cumpleaños a Liliana y pues vamos a ir a comprarle un pequeño pastelito por el día de hoy. Y bueno, él estaré haciendo un update. El día pues está soleado, pero según va a llover. Bueno, vamos a ver cómo nos va la tarde.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yo no quiero que... Miren cómo se cayó este claymoro. No puede con las flores. Bien oscuro. Este otro claymoro también está todo caído de las flores. Todo caído, el pobrecito. Primero estaba caído por el viento. Ahora se cayó con las flores. Wow, está repleto. Ese ya va a echar. Y aquel no se ha caído, tiene poco. Uy. Ya están floreando los claymoros. No, le falta. Le falta todavía. What happened? Okay. Dale more. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. Are you done? Done. Are you sure? No. Don't do that. Just aplástala. Done. Are you done? No. Don't touch. You done? Done.